Hello, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, kindly hit the subscribe button and hit the notification below. For today's video, we will do the unboxing of two mini sewing machines. So, which do you think is better? The one with a brand name or the one without brand name? So, let's find out. Alright, so let's see the first one. Okay, on the both sides, on the right sides, they only differ on the details they were placed in. But here at the back side, they are the same. Okay, next, another side, they only differ on the place they were. But this one, what I'm talking about, they are right. So they still the same. They're only differ on the place they were put in. Right? Another one. Okay, so let's see. Let us unbox the first one with a brand name. Okay, ta-da! Alright, so here is what's inside the bags. Of course, we will see, but be careful. Alright. Okay. So the first one with the brand name Mingli, it has of course a pedal, foot or hand pedal, which has a plastic cover. Same also with the machine itself, it has a plastic cover with the brand name Mingli. Okay, a switch power button. Alright, another one, the alternative for the batteries. And okay, so let's set aside first because we're going to see another what's inside the bags. All right, so here is the accessories. Okay, so let's see how many bobbin cases it has. Okay, 4 bobbin cases, another extra needle, number 14. All right, so another one is the manual. Okay, the manual of the machine, and of course the power adapter. You observe that this power adapter needs a power adapter itself, but in the next video you'll find out you don't need it anymore. Alright, next, the other one without a brand name. Let's see if they are the same. Okay, turn around. Can't wait. Alright, so obviously the manual itself is at the top of the bags is the same. Okay, so let's see. All right, let's be careful. Let's just be careful because it's very fragile. Okay, so here it is. They're the same, right? But only differ on, okay, that's just this one, the power adapter. This one doesn't need an adapter because it's directly to the power outlet. And this, okay, the pedal doesn't have plastic cover, but they are the same. And the sewing machine itself, of course, it has a plastic cover. They're the same power bottom and so on and so forth. But this one, you'll notice that it has a lamp, details, and scissors, but it doesn't work because the price will be differ if this machine has this applications. And of course, accessories has 4 bobbin cases and an extra needle, number 14. It is same. Okay, so obviously they only differ on the brand name. What I mean is they only differ because the one has a brand name, but the other one doesn't have. But as I observe, and of course I have this one, but the other one which has a brand name, also I personally have this too, and I observe that they functioned the same. Alright. They are the same. They only differ on the brand name. Don't you worry that they are the same. They also the same price. Okay, so that's a review. Okay, thank you for watching. Enjoy. Happy sewing.